I will begin by introducing a vital tool for assessing the effectiveness of processes used in lean manufacturing, namely, value stream mapping. This tool is fundamental for any organization that seeks to improve its production processes and eliminate waste. Value stream mapping offers a comprehensive view of the production process, encompassing all associated operations from the initial raw material to the final product. This allows us to identify each operation, assess its value, and pinpoint areas of waste, be it excessive working time or unnecessary resource consumption. This is particularly important as, in the lean philosophy, we strive to improve our processes continuously. Value stream mapping not only facilitates this task, but also helps to keep the company competitive by increasing its efficiency and ability to deliver the highest quality products in the shortest possible time. Let's start with an analogy, a chain. Everyone knows that a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. In our manufacturing context, this chain represents the sequence of operations from sourcing the raw material to the final product that reaches our customers. Each link in this chain is a different stage of production, a different process that must work efficiently for the whole to be compelling. This is the key to understanding how integral each activity is in our production process. Each of these links, be it procurement, production, quality control, or logistics, must function seamlessly for the whole chain to be strong. A weakness in one link can jeopardize our entire production. This metaphor reminds us that every stage in our production process must be addressed. Every element is crucial. Neglecting even one can lead to severe consequences. This could be delayed deliveries, a drop in product quality, or even a complete stop in production, affecting our ability to meet customer expectations and remain competitive. All these weak links in the chain of operations are referred to as losses by the lean manufacturing philosophy. In the previous section, we discussed each of them. When we ignore these weak links, our production system can be broken. This is why value stream mapping is essential to our production management arsenal. Value stream mapping allows us to identify these weak points as our losses. It helps us understand how individual processes and operations contribute to the flow of value through the entire process. This understanding allows us to identify and eliminate obstacles and improve the overall process to increase efficiency, minimize waste, and most importantly, improve the quality of our products. Implementing this tool enables us to optimize our operations and ensure that every link in our production chain is as strong as possible. We define the value stream as the sum of all activities currently in production. These activities include those that add value and those that do not add value to the final product. Each of these activities is important because they are necessary to process the raw materials at all stages so that the customer receives exactly what they ordered. It is not without reason that we use the metaphor of a value stream map here. Unlike a slow-moving river that can spread its waters widely, a mountain stream flows quickly and gracefully through its entire course. This is a perfect analogy for our lean manufacturing operations. We strive for speed and efficiency, transforming raw materials into finished products with minimal waste of time and resources. Value stream mapping aims to identify each activity in our production process and determine whether it contributes to adding value. It is also about understanding how to streamline the flow of these activities so that our enterprise functions like an efficient stream, not a slow, meandering river. One more minor point before describing the steps in value stream mapping. In this mapping process, it is crucial to pay close attention to the supplier-customer relationship at each stage. As you can see on the slide, every participant and operation in the process has a dual role. They are both supplier and customer. This highlights how each stage of the value stream is interconnected and dependent on the previous one and influences the next one. When mapping the value stream, we aim to identify value-adding stages to eliminate waste and, more importantly, optimize each of these supplier-customer relationships. We need to make sure that every link in our production chain can receive raw materials and information efficiently and produce outputs that meet or exceed the expectations of our internal and external customers.